Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to design in Canva for 2023, especially if you're looking to create printables, stencils, vinyl cut files, or all sorts of custom designs. Whether you're new to Canva or you just want to pick up some tips and tricks, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently create and download your own designs, ready for printing or cutting. And honestly, it's much more straightforward than you might think. Let's jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is head over to Canva's website. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, it's free to sign up and the interface is super user-friendly. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner and click on Create. This button is the gateway to starting any new project in Canva. It gives you different options depending on what you want to design. Today, we're going to focus on using the photo editor, but these same steps can be used for lots of other design types as well. Go ahead and select the photo editor option. This opens up a blank canvas where you can start building your design from scratch. Or if you want a little inspiration or a head start, you can choose from Canva's many beautifully made templates. For this tutorial, let's keep things simple and select a template specifically. For example, let's pick one with a family setting. Maybe you want to create a printable family calendar or a cute wall stencil for your living room. Templates are really helpful because they give you a great foundational layout, and you can always customize everything to make it your own. Once you've picked your template, now comes the fun part, editing and adding elements. This is where Canva truly shines. Take your time here and explore all the different elements you can add, icons, shapes, text, and even your own uploaded images. Want a quirky font for a vinyl cut file? Or maybe you're adding a family name to a printable sign. Just click the element you want, drag it onto your template, and play around with the sizing, placement, and colors until it feels just right. If something doesn't look quite as you expected, don't stress. You can always undo, resize, or swap elements in just a couple of clicks. Honestly, this part is a bit like decorating a room or arranging a bulletin board. There's no wrong way, so have fun experimenting. And remember, if you get stuck, the Canvas sidebar has loads of options and inspiration to guide you. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save your masterpiece. In the upper right, you're going to see a Share button. Click there, and then look for the Download option. At this stage, it's important to choose PDF print as your file type. Downloading as a PDF print ensures that your design will be crisp and high quality when you print it out, which is especially important for stencils, vinyl cut projects, or detailed printables. Sometimes this download takes a few moments, especially with larger designs, so don't worry if it isn't instant. And that's it. You've now walked through the entire process from setting up your Canva project, choosing a template, making it your own, and downloading the finished design in print-ready quality. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing for more Canva tutorials and creative tips. If you have any questions, need some extra guidance, or just want to share what you're working on, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.